Hello everyone, good evening. I hope you guys watched my previous video. Like I bought it in Snippy Cart, this Tummy Lab Slimming Belly. When I see that product only, I feel like it is a waste product because the same package and everything I am getting in Amazon for 200 rupees, less than that also. So I was not satisfied with that product. So I gave my reviews about that product before using it. Now I am giving the product reviews after using it. I want to tell you one more time like why I bought this product. Of course, if I have a belly fat, that's the reason I bought it. And one more thing is menstruous pain. It pains a lot for me. That's the reason I bought it. Here it clearly stating that it will give a relief from menstruous pain. Of course I got a relief from menstruous pain, but I'm not sure it is because of this product or I'm having honey morning and evening daily. Maybe that is also one of the reason. And see here, the main disadvantage of using this is you can clearly see like we have to stick it in this way on our tummy, our belly, on the same space, like in that spot. If you are sticking that sticker on our belly, it is giving some rashes in red color in the same shape. It is like I used like 20, and it's been 10 days I finished those, but still I can see that red mark on my tummy. It is really very bad, and there my skin became like very skin is not healthy. I can say that the part where I sticked it, it is not healthy. It has to heal. Maybe I sticked it for 20 pieces for 20 days. Maybe that is the reason. I didn't see any weight reduce in that space. Like actually I didn't see weight reduce in the sense I didn't see any inch loss, any difference. They told like I have to use 30-40 pieces to see the improvement, but for 20 only I can see the mark on my belly, it is which is ugly. So I don't want to use them. So after that guys, it's your own choice. If you like to use it, please use it if you really want to try it. But just be careful if you have some functions or something where you have to go in saris and all. Please don't use this like before 10-20 days before. That is only my suggestion. Hope you guys are liking this video. If you guys like this video, please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much. Bye bye.